Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Fragpunk error code 12010. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to log into the game, but they are unable to access it due to this error message. Before trying anything else, restart your device along with your internet router, and then check if the error still comes. If restarting doesn't help, check if the game needs an update. If an update is available, install it and try again. If the error persists, try connecting to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, and check for the error. If this fixes the issue, then the problem is likely with your network. If the error still occurs, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Once the game is reinstalled, check if the error still comes. At last, if reinstalling also does not help, then the issue is probably server-related. In this case, we suggest waiting for some time and trying again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.